In the previous video, we have written two test methods to test our after insert handler method from contact trigger handler class. But in no sense these two tests were perfect because we still need to test our after insert handler method for bulk operations. Here in these two test methods, we are only creating quite a few contact records. But what if you want to create 1000 records at once? Remember, in order to get the perfect code in your production, it's up to you how well you write your unit tests. So keeping that in mind, I have created one more test method here which I call after insert handler test bulk, and in this method I am creating 1000 contact records, marking all of them as active and associating them with my test account 1. And after that I'm creating 3 more contact records. So in total I'm creating 1003 contact records, and then I'm using my assert statements to check if my code is working fine or not. So you should also write the same method, and if you get stuck somewhere then you can get this code from the resources section of this video. For now, let's click on run all tests so that we can get the results of our unit tests. Okay, so looks like our tests were successful, and now let's read the summary. So here it says that we have ran 3 tests from contact trigger handler test class, and we also see the method names, and the outcome of all these 3 tests is pass, and we also see the pass rate here. What I am interested in is to check the code coverage of my classes. So I want to know how much lines of code does these 3 methods covered. For that, let's copy the command that you would see here in your output window. So this is the command that Salesforce is executing behind the scene. So I'm going to copy it, and then let's paste it inside the terminal window here. Now in this command, I'm going to have one more parameter so that I can also get the code coverage of my Salesforce org. So after this command, just add -c. And this -c parameter is also going to get the code coverage of your Salesforce org. Let's hit enter. Okay, so we have got an error, and that's because I have spaces in my output directory path. The easiest way to solve this error is to remove this output directory parameter. So I'm going to clear this command. And I'm also going to keep it till result format human, and after that I'm going to add my -c parameter. Let's hit enter again. Hopefully the command should execute this time. This is going to take a while, so please wait till the time you see the result on your screen. Okay, so we have got our result, and this time the results are more granular. We see the test run coverage and the org-wide coverage because of these 3 methods. So our total org-wide coverage is 6% because I have a lot of classes in my developer org. But for you, it could be different. Our main concern is about the classes that we have in place. So we have this contact trigger handler class, account contact service class, and then the contact trigger. So these 3 methods are testing my account contact service class 100%, and they are only testing 22% lines of my contact trigger handler class. And the lines that are missing from the test coverage are these ones. And that's because we are only testing the after insert handler method. And we still need to test the after update handler, after delete handler, and after undelete handler. So once we write the test methods for these 3 remaining methods as well, then we will see the significant improvement in our contact trigger handler test coverage as well. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we are going to write our test methods for update handler method, and we are also going to learn a few more things about test classes.